Hello, my name is Mayank Choubey of Class 8th of Bal Bharati Public School, Noida. This is my mind map on mathematical mind trail. This is my mind map. I choose geometry, specifically quadrilaterals, because I find geometry quite interesting as well as easy. So these are the properties of some of the shapes like parallelogram, which is the opposite sides equal, opposite angle equal, and the diagonal bisects. The square that has all the properties of a parallelogram, rhombus, and a rectangle. The rhombus properties are that it has all the properties of a parallelogram as well as the diagonals are perpendicular. The kite also has the diagonals perpendicular. One diagonal bisects the other. The axial angles are equal, but the equatorial angles are not. The rectangle has the properties that the diagonals are equal. Each angle measures 90 degrees, and it also has all the properties of a parallelogram.
So I'll summarize the complete chapter, just like other areas, in a couple of minutes. So if I start with parallelograms, the important properties are opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and diagonals bisect each other. Now, in a kite like this, adjacent sides are equal, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. One of the diagonals will bisect the other one. Angle B equal to D, angle A not equal to C. So that's about kites. Next, we'll look at special parallelograms, starting with a rhombus like this, which will have the properties of a parallelogram as well as that of a kite. So all sides are equal. Diagonals will be perpendicular bisectors, because in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other, and in a kite they are perpendicular to each other. So together it will be perpendicular bisectors. So that's about rhombus. Next, I'll take a rectangle. Rectangle will have all the properties of a parallelogram. Angles are equal and equal to 90 degree. And one more special property is diagonals are equal. Next is when you consider a rhombus and a rectangle together, we'll end up getting a square like this, where all sides are equal, all angles are equal. That is why a square will have properties of a parallelogram, a rhombus, and a rectangle. All the properties of a parallelogram, a rectangle, and a rhombus. So diagonals, that is, diagonals will bisect each other. They'll be equal and they'll be perpendicular to each other. So it's very simple. You can get a complete overview just like that. I am very sure that you know a lot more about quadrilaterals by this time.
So this was the video. Thank you.